Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can verify your age on TikTok. The process is very simple. All you have to do is launch your TikTok application, select this three-bar icon, go for settings and privacy. In here, scroll all the way below. Under support and about, select help center. So you're going to have to take the help of support for this. Select chat with us at the bottom page. Wait for this to load. You will see a message. Now here, select other. And here, simply type in verify my age. You're going to have to type in exactly this. Send it. Wait for their message. And likewise, all you have to do is follow the on-screen prompt, like confirm date of birth, and then verify your age on TikTok. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.